Next speaker is Raungaran Narjari. Yes, madam. Please.
Sir, calling me.
ये ना
धन्यवाद सर।
हाँ।
आपने 2024-25 का यूनियन बजट के ऊपर बोलने के लिए मुझे मौका दिया है। मैं आसाम से हूँ, यूनाइटेड पीपल्स पार्टी लिबरल से मैं बजट को स्वागत करता हूँ और सपोर्ट भी मैं करता हूँ। सर, आई बिलीव एनी कंट्रीज जर्नी ऑफ डेवलपमेंट डिपेंड्स ऑन कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ वेल डिजाइन फिस्कल मैनेजमेंट. Budget is the lifeline of country's development. In India, a country of more than 140 crores of population, marvelously the people of India have chosen NDA government for the third consecutive term with a clear mandate to run the government under the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, which is historic and rare in the world of political history. I thank to the Honorable Finance Minister for her comprehensive, people's development oriented and of course, clear and powerful budget presentation with guarantee of India to occupy position of third largest economy in the world in years ahead, which is dream of Narendra Modi ji and the aspirations of people of India, that is Viksit Bharat. Taking into account the people's mandate and pursuit of Viksit Bharat, this budget focusing on four major castes, namely poor, women, youth, farmers, determined to realize nation's development. The 9 priorities envisaged in the budget by the Finance Minister is showcase of its clarity and vision for develop India, and it visualizes comprehensive policy of generate robust scope for the benefits of all sections of the people. Focus on employment, scaling, MSMEs, and middle class will take India on a further height of prosperity. On this occasion, sir, I would like to thank Honorable Prime Minister for taking holistic approach for enlisting the Assam Soraida Maidams in the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Thanks to the Chief Minister of Assam, Sri Hemanta Biswa Sarma, for your untiring effort for making Soraida Maidam to receive the prestigious UNESCO tag. Sir, the effort of Government of India to build up extensive economic and strategic relations with the nations of Southeast Asia through AGS policy, which boosts up development opportunities for the northern states of India. Sir, budget for flood management in Assam is most sought after and need of the hour for the people of Assam. Flood has always been enemy and a matter of great concern for the people of Assam every year. Assam has to combat flood with extra and unwanted burden amidst developmental works undertaken with state's budget. The Brahmaputra Valley and the Barak Valley have always been mostly affected during monsoon season. In the Brahmaputra Valley, several numbers of transborder rivers like Sonkos, Ahai, Manas, Beki, Pagladia, and many more rivers flowing down from Bhutan have been causing unmanageable damage to the downstream area of Assam, particularly in the Bodoland area. Therefore, sir, in this juncture, I want the people of Assam warmly welcome the most sought after budgetary assistance for combating the flood, which will be game changer. Apart from flood assistance, sir, a total of 7,796.16 crores of rupees budgetary outlay has been enhanced for the development of Assam and Northeastern region. Some of the remarkable budget outlays are 1,000 crores for welfare of tea workers, especially for women. Increase in special package for Bodoland Territorial Council from 100 crore to 174.66 crores. Increase in budgetary outlay for development of tea board 135 crores to 721.5 crores. 100 additional India Post Payment Bank branches to be opened in the Northeast. Roads infrastructure will be constructed through PMGSY. Tribal areas of states will be bolstered under the Pradhan Mantri Janajatiya Unnat Gram Abhijan. Sure. In the railway sector also, Government of India have undertaken remarkable projects for infrastructure development and connectivity of railway in the northeastern region. Sir, I want to highlight some glimpses of the initiative taken by the then UPA government and the present NDA government in railway sector of the northeastern region. The annual average budget outlay for Assam and northeastern region under UPA regime from 2009 to 14 was only 2,122 crores, whereas under NDA regime till 2024, the budget allocation has gone up to 10,376 crores, which is 5 times than UPA. Construction of new track during UPA from 2009 to 14 was only 67 kilometers, Whereas during NDA from 2014 to 2024, it has gone up to 173 kilometer. Apart from that, sir, a total of 18 new projects construction of 1,368 kilometer railways track with budgetary allocation of, sir,
Time is up.
74,972 is undergoing in Northeastern region.
You have to conclude,
Further, sir,
please. Time is
60 stations will be developed as Amrit Station. Arunachal 1, Assam 50, Manipur 1,
Conclude,
Meghalaya
please.
1, sir, 30 seconds. Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim 1 is and Tripura 4. Sir, 470 rail flyovers and under bridges construction since 2014 by India government. This will definitely bolster the economy of Northeastern region as well as sign of love and affection towards the people of Northeastern region. That, sir, I would say this budgetary outlets for Assam and Northeastern region will definitely
I
draw
am
a new
inviting
development
next
in the
speaker.
region.
Please
Thank you,
conclude.
sir.